What are you eating, buddy? Peas. Excuse you. Mmm. They're good, aren't they? Want some more? Connor? Psst, psst, psst. Some more? Yes, I do. Oh, good job. Yeah, they're good. You like peas. Mmm. Smack those lips. Smack them. Mwah. Mwah. Yummy. Let's have some more. Yeah. Okay, now you want a little cereal? Mm-hmm. You never smacked your lips like that before. Good. Oh, you are a good eater. There we go. Wouldn't focus on you for a second. Some more? Okay, this is last couple of bites because you're being a piggy. Yeah, we've already had quite a bit. Some cereal. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Good stuff? Yummy. Okay. That's enough peas for one day.